how to create a cartoon image with any photo uploaded in ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Now, click the plus icon on the left side. Next, select Add Photos and Files option. Now, from your computer, choose the photo you want to upload. Once the photo is uploaded, you need to type a description. For example, you can type, "Make this image a cartoon character," or you can type, "Turn this photo into a funky cartoon style." You can also try styles like neon cartoon, anime style, Pixar style, or comic style. The more clear your description is, the better the cartoon image will look. After typing your description, click the arrow button to send the prompt. Now, the image generation process will begin. It will take a few seconds to create the cartoon version. And done, ChatGPT has created a cartoon image. Now, if you want to download the image, click this download arrow button. And done, you can save the image to your device. This is how you can create a cartoon image using ChatGPT, even in the free version. Like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.